Never see her live like this morning she do live. I talk about youth when they will. Like some video leak or some video leak or some picture leak with him. Morning Kazama. She drop on live after. Morning.
What's wrong with Sherry? She's the mother baby too. So where is the content?
I think the consensus lies more with people saying that they should not get yes, I think that's what it is. But then you have people who actually make mention that they have tried.
What I want.
Too much stress out then.
Which was kind of hilarious, yeah, to me. His experience and that he was told to come back to him. So that's later something done. So the old man could not get
Nonsense, about nonsense phone.
And that's all they do. And he said about a neighbor, because they expected to have a neighbor. You don't live, on an island. Yeah. I think that's maybe something.
I just know that I don't see the I just don't know what to say. I don't understand what's going on. I don't know what's going on.
Listen, I think it's all of them. People will buy hope and they know that hope sells. And if you can activate and market the right hope, you will get money. Because that's why we work for a better day. We exercise that we need, all things that we do because we're hopeful that things will be better.
Meka.
If someone can come and promise you that your life can change,
Meka.
or by drinking a bottle of water, you will die quick.
And then,
but no one has the power to just magically change your life like that.
I don't know someone who has the power to do it. So I'm saying.
Yeah, but then I think you have to come to me and know what to do. When it comes to, I can speak about that. When it comes to God, you don't need no expert to represent you.
No, but then why
you don't need no expert channel.
Why do people in church?
Meka. Meka. Mummy, you sure? Yeah, can I go, doctor? Alright.
Because you have to understand that there are channels and
High blood pressure high.
But it doesn't mean that this is the only way to know.
So you this year, what me do? Also, then I really tell me no. Then say them a carry God doctor still. Look, What me do? When I near Yankee live, you start by the way again. Not true, man. You best two of them take on. You know, got that by the way. And build content off of we. What go on last night? She need to calm down for real. Hope she alright still. Hope she alright. Morning, Pinky. Yeah, so me say Destiny as a Destiny. Yes, somebody have some picture. Some picture grown. This is some picture grown with Yankee. So that makes you drop down? What was she doing before happening? Cursing or talking to her chat? This thing don't have no file palm me. Your breath, you stinky. This thing don't have any file. This thing have them bring it out right now. Let out all life file them which you have for me. This thing have no blood clot file for me. This thing go suck out in big stinking mouth too. If you have one, tell Destiny say me say that. Okay, wife life. Destiny have no file for me. So anytime she ready, she can drop them. If she have file for me, if I that she say. And by last time I come on live with her, I show where Destiny text me say, I'm a blacky fucker. And so she go to hospital. One and two. Meka, you live on my life. Oh yeah, he has reached far, man. Channel. She good, man. She good. And she don't carry her to the hospital, but she alright. That they say. I call Meka, Meka say she alright. So I used to red dance up there and Anna they up there see me. Red dance and Anna then still there, you know. Why one piece of blood clot? Stress for the woman to pussy clot.
What is